While shipping your products to Amazon FBA warehouse, there can be many challenges. And one of the most common challenge is how you can ship more than one product or more than one SKU in a single shipment. Because I have seen that many of the people don't know that they can actually ship more than one product into one shipment. For example, you are having 7 SKUs and you want to send different units of those 7 SKUs at a time. So instead of create 7 new shipments for each of the individual SKU or product, you can just combine all of those 7 SKUs units into one shipment and you can just ship them in a single go. And by doing this, you can save a lot of money because sending one shipment at a time can cost you even less than sending 7 shipments. So all the information about sending more than one SKU into single shipment you'll get in this video step by step. So keep on watching this video till the end. So as you can see that this is my 1 week sales, and if I put the filter for past 1 year and click on apply, so you can see that this is my 1 year sales. You can see that throughout the year I got consistent sales, and my sales actually increased in December, which was Christmas season. So around 150k was the revenue, and a cool thing about this is that the PPC spend was very less for the lifetime. So basically I don't do any magic, I only use common sense and use some tips and tricks which I've already explained you in these videos. So if you also want to learn all of those tips, tricks and strategies, you can just go on my Amazon playlist on YouTube and learn all the tips for free just to get the revenue like this. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my Amazon Seller Center right now, and from here I have just clicked on Manage Inventory tab where I can see all of my product. So for example, I need to create a shipment and I need to send these 2 products in that shipment. So to do so, first of all, we need to select all of those products which we want to send into a single shipment. You can just select 1, 2, 3 or even more than that. So right now in this case I only want to send 2 products, so I have just selected these 2 products, and after selecting I need to click on this drop down menu and click on Send and Replenish Inventory, and after clicking on that I need to click on this Yes Continue because I have selected 2 items, and then after selecting that Amazon will take me to the next step, which is shipment making. So here you can see that Amazon is showing me some steps like send to Amazon, step number 1, which is choose inventory to send. So here in this step, I need to choose the address from which I'm sending inventory, and then I need to choose those product and those number of units which I want to send. So here in this case, my address is already there from which I want to send, and here I can see those 2 products which I want to send in this single shipment. So here as you can see that I have already defined the case pack and dimension of this product and this product as well. As you can see that it is showing us units per box is 4. That means it already know that there are 4 units of this product into one box, because I know that my supplier has put 4 units in one box, so I already put it there. But if you see this unit per box blank, then you need to click on this pencil icon, and here you can just fill out the case pack. For example, there are 5 units in one carton, so you can change it to 5 or any other number. So let's just change it back to 4. And here you can see that I have already put the dimension of the box in which there are 4 units like 20 inch by 20 inch and 9.5 inch. And here is the weight of the box, 12.4 lbs. So you need to grab that information from your supplier, like what is the carton weight, what is the carton dimension, and how many units are there into one carton. So after you fill or submit all of this information and click on save, that information will be saved in Amazon system, and you can just choose the number of boxes from here. So as you can see here, for both of these products I have 4 units in one box. So let's suppose I need to send 40 units of this product and 40 units of this product. So I just put 10 boxes here. So it will automatically fetch number 40 because it knows that there are only 4 units in one box. So that means in 10 box there will be 40 units. So the same goes with that, 10 box and 40 units. So after filling the quantity of both of these products, I need to click on ready to send and ready to send here as well. So as you can see here, it has already fetched 40 units of both products. That means in a total it will be 80 units of 2 products. And in this single shipment, I have 2 SKUs. You can see here, SKU ready to send equals to 2 and total 80 units. And here you can see that total prep fee is 0 because my supplier has already pasted the barcodes on product. But if you're not having your barcodes ready, then you need to pay Amazon for this task. But for now, it's free. So let's click on confirm and continue. Alright, so at this stage, you can see that our shipment is ready. There are 20 boxes and 2 SKU and total 80 units. So now at this point, I just need to give it a date. Like we can just put the date for Monday because I need Amazon Partner Carrier to pick this inventory from me on Monday. So after selecting the Monday's date, I can just scroll down, and from these 2 options, SPD and LTL, I need to click on this SPD because it stands for small parcel delivery. As I know that I'm only sending 10 boxes of each, so it will be SPD. But if I will be sending more cartons like 50, 100 or even 200, so that should be palletized and I should click on LTL, which is called less than truck load. Because if we are sending a small inventory or a small carton, SPD will be best. But if we are sending more carton like 50 or 100, then SPD will be too costly for us. So then it is recommended to send LTL if you are having more inventory or more cartons. So now after selecting SPD, go down, select your carrier and select ground and click on accept charges and confirm shipping. So when you click that, you will be able to generate labels. Let's click on here. So after clicking, Amazon will take you to the third step, which is print box label. So as you already know, we are sending 2 products in this one shipment. That means 10 cartons of each product. So here you can see that in this shipment we are having 1 product and in this shipment we are having second product. So we will print the labels for both products one by one. So for example, if we click on print here, so it will print 10 carton labels for product number 1. And if we click on here, then it will print 10 carton labels for product number 2. So after clicking and downloading all of those labels, I can just paste those labels myself, or either I can send them to my supplier to paste on those boxes. And then right after doing this, I can just click on proceed and enter tracking details. So by doing this, I can just send more than 1 SKU in a single shipment and save a lot of money. So if you also want to save your money, you can just also apply this trick and keep selling on Amazon. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.